Good evening from Grand Plain Farm. It's January 25th, about 4:45, and Lisa's milking Bella. Cody came down to help her, and I just fed the pigs for the evening feeding. Doc's still working on Tahoe in the shop. Anyway, it's been a really productive day. It's been really pretty, and I love this weather. Yeah, it is cold though. Yep. I still can't wait for spring.
And she kind of looks like she's waddling.
She does, and she's waddling more every day. And getting up on that milking stand is getting hard.
All right, Bella. You pregnant or not? That's the question. Brandy looks like she might be.